It's a horrible blizzard, 0 out, 16 inches of snow, staying warm at my house with my dogs and puppies on the Howard farm. This old heart, these old hands made a good life for this old man. You can call it passion, call it stubborn pride, call it what you want, but I feel it inside. Same old fire, burning like it did, white hot flame even when I was a kid. I finally come far enough to know the living's in the getting where you want to go. So, morning sun, up and gone. Lord, shine your light on this working man's home. I still do what I've always done. I shoot straight, I'm a son of a gun. I don't worry about when I'm gone, 'cause my legacy is set in stone. Well, I saw it with some family, I saw it with some friends, how a candle burns when you light both ends. Doesn't take long, the consequences are real. Nobody wins when the devil does the deal. Could've took the path forever run wild, been free if not for the wisdom of the father's child. Picture of a man who my granddaddy was to me. Set me up this plan for who I want to be, farming right here on my Howard farm. So, a morning sun, up and gone. Lord, shine your light on this working man's home. I still do what I've always done. I shoot straight, I'm a son of a gun. I don't worry about when I'm gone, because my legacy set in stone. So, morning sun, up and gone. Lord, shine your light on this working man's home. I still do what I've always done. I shoot straight, I'm a son of